Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something absolutely al bacio. I'm going to make beef heart and liver salad. Absolutely delicious. I show you what we need. We need some beef heart and beef liver. We're gonna cut very thin. We're gonna strip it. Straight like that. You know, we need stuff like this, okay? Okay. I cut in two. And the same with the heart. I'll show just one heart. Do the same. Or like this with a little bit fat. But I don't want much. But you can do, if you like with fat, do like that, okay? Pan on, some plain flour, put everything inside. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Shake, like shake, baby. Take out from the flour, you know, and leave on the side. I took everything out. Now a little touch of oil, butter, put inside, and we're gonna pan fry this quickly, around 2-3 minutes, like that. Beautiful, look at that. I put it in the plate. Okay guys, this is the salad I'm gonna make. All my ingredients. It's important you prepare everything before, and it's easy to just build the salad. No, I'm gonna use some rocket, feta, red onion, cucumber, radish, roast pepper, and some dry tomato, and the liver and heart. We can put some salt and pepper, and we mix a little bit, okay? Some rocket, cucumber, the onion, roast pepper. I love roast pepper, guys. Radish, dry tomatoes, some meat as well. I use the end, guys. We are not master chef, but we cook for the family. This is gonna be my dinner. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. I recommend you some feta. Take in the end, just like this. We need some lemon zest, half lemon. We need some juice on the top, black pepper, and a little bit salt again, a touch of olive oil. This is my beef heart and liver salad. If you like here, you can add some balsamic vinegar. It's very good. I add the lemon for that acidity, but you can use the balsamic vinegar. Beautiful. This is Piero's amazing beef heart and liver salad. Always al bacio. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.